Hi, I'm back with the second version on the second video on verb tenses. Last time I talked about simple present. Today we're going to go to the past. Just think a little bit to your left, right? The past is on the left. So basically what's the past? If you look again on this particular chart, they say past time is known for simple past. This is true. Yeah? We usually know when it happened. Maybe a little more particularly, we could say that the simple past is something that is completed. It's finished in the past. Completed in the past. Okay, simple past here. Simple past is something that's completed in the past, it's not going on today, and it's, if you represent on the graph here, it's basically slash. It's just a slash in time. Okay, I was born on November 26, 1960. The seminaire opened its doors in 1875. I don't know. Maybe it was after that. Can't remember the exact date. The coronavirus started in December 2019 in China. Okay, it happened in the past. Okay, the start of the virus finished. The virus is going on now, but the start of it happened at that time in the past. Just a random example I came up with there. It could be a past habit too. Past habit, something like when I was a kid, we walked to school every day in 6 feet of snow with no shoes. It was tough, okay? Something we ate 3 times a day. Now, we still do that, fortunately. So it could be a past habit, something that's completed in the past. No more complicated than that, really. Some key words? Well, of course, there's that famous yesterday. Oh, my trouble seems so far away. Okay, so yesterday's finished. It's not here anymore. It's today now. But yesterday was in the past, it's finished, completed. The expression last. Last week, last year, last day, last period, the last century. I was born in the last century. You guys were born in this century. Last night I went to bed at 10 o'clock, reasonable time for an old guy like me. And another expression is ago. Il y a, il y a 3 jours, 3 days ago. Il y a 3 ans, 3 years ago. Il y a 3 minutes, 3 minutes ago. So it's the opposite word order from French. So with expressions like this, yesterday or last whatever, and some time ago, these words tell you, ding, 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 I have to write something in the simple past. What's the form? Again, it's so much simpler than French. Oh, goodness. French, I had to memorize all the different endings and stuff. English, there's basically one thing. ED, and that goes for everything. Again, we could take the verb that I mentioned in my first video on verb tenses. Marcher, walk, walked. I walked, you walked, he walked, she walked, they walked, the monkey walked, the car walked. Whoops, the car doesn't have legs, so it couldn't walk. I guess that doesn't work. But ED, bonjour la visite, that's it. It's that simple. Then again, of course, you might have heard of irregular verbs. You probably have a list of irregular verbs somewhere in a dictionary. If you have this particular book, you always, usually in any kind of English book, you'll have this irregular verb chart where you've got base form, simple past, past participle. Go, went, gone, eat, ate, eaten, and so on. In irregular verbs, the simple past for an irregular verb is the second column. Okay? Go, went, gone, je suis allé, I went. Eat, ate, eaten, j'ai mangé, I ate last night. So for the irregular verbs, you have to memorize them. But what do they all have in common? They're simple. Just one word. Contrary to French, in French you would say j'ai mangé. In English it's just I ate. There's no have. In French you've got avoir, eu, avoir fait, avoir mangé, avoir. I don't know why I'm obsessed with food. But anyway, in French you have this passé composé. In English it's simple. It's one word. So ed or irregular verbs in the second column. And of course, what's the auxiliary? The auxiliary is did. Okay? So, let's say we could go to yesterday, or maybe we could, yeah, why not yesterday? Yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away. Paul McCartney, genius. Presently, the original song was Ham and Eggs. That's another story. So yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away. You've got the ed here. And again, you can apply the system. What's the system? Affirmative, negative, yes, no question, information, question, complement, information, question, subject. So, for example, all my troubles seemed so far away. All my troubles did not seem so far away. Did all my troubles seem so far away? Where did my troubles seem to be? And what seemed so far away? Answer, all my troubles. Okay? So, that's the simple past. In the next video we're going back to the future.